In primetime news this evening, Hurricane Delta's wrath. Several roads left flooded as outer bands lashed the island. Junction dilemma. NWA outlines plans and challenges with collapsed St. Mary Road as heavy rains make it worse. And later, no politics. Education Minister defends tablet distribution. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's the situation with your water supply since the drought ended?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and a tweet @Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.